Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Tish's Nutritious Lifestyle. I'm sharing with you in this video a complete vegan Sunday dinner. So delicious, really delicious and nutritious. This is also a very affordable Sunday dinner. So it is cost effective. We're gonna get into that video right now. But before we do so, I just want to say that thank you. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support, your likes and subscribes and shares. And if you haven't, please subscribe. So let's get started. Yes, they laugh, they call me names, they just don't get it. I don't see me, I hold my head up just the same again. Let them see me as a big show. Let me that is all I got, yeah. I really appreciate you loving me. It's all that I can say. I really appreciate you loving me. When I'm with you, it's all I got. And then we got all the vegetables, a bit of vegetables here. I use a little bit more carrot. So we're gonna get the tomatoes and so on. Lovely friends, so you see I have scallion, tomatoes, sweet pepper, garlic, thyme, onion, carrot, Irish, all of these beautiful vibrant vegetables going in our broad bean stew. In a moment, soon come back. Oil, medium heat at a time, so maybe half of this, and add it into the oil. So pepper, garlic, so maybe 30 seconds. Smells wonderful. So this is how you infuse your oil with the garlic and the hot pepper, scallion and thyme. Adding our carrots, adding carrots, Irish potato. You know, so they need to cook and the bean them cook already. Adding these, stir them around. Put 2 to 3 teaspoons of browning. Just cover this on low heat, allow the vegetables to kind of soak in some heat, and then I add in the cooked broad beans. gosh, my God, that smells good. That's so good. In our beans, tomatoes, and onion. Now the bowl of this homemade turmeric ginger paste. So add in 2 tablespoons. Add in some salt. Cumin. That's it. So mix this together. Turn up at the heat. Combine everything well. I'm showing you how you can prepare a delicious broad bean stew. Very rich, very nutritious, so that the beans can be coated too a little bit more browning. You know, you're gonna taste this to see, to ensure that it has enough salt, flavor, pepper, whatever you like. Oh my God, the ginger smells so nice. So allow the beans and everything to come together. Just gonna cover it, no water at this point. Allow all of these to come together for about 5 minutes on low heat again, and then you'll come back and add the rest of, or the final amounts of ingredients in here. So finally we're adding in, so the, alright, let us test if they're cooked. Is Irish them cook? Alright, so the Irish potato them cook. Alright, enough. Right? Adding in finally scallion, sweet pepper, ketchup, a plant-based brown stew, and water. Make sure so we mix all our side pot down. Incorporate everything well. Over this again on low to medium heat, and that is the final cook for this. So just give it one last taste test. Make sure so it is alright. Yeah. Taste this gravy. That literally tastes like brown stew when we used to. Alright. Nice, 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 nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Good girl. Alright. If you're making this and you reach this far, I'm proud of you, man. I'm very proud of you. It's easy, it's nice, it's, you know, it's fun. I'm proud that you got this far into making your broad bean brown stew. So we're gonna allow this to cook. Look how that looks good. Continue to allow this on to cook on medium heat, and then turning it off. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy this one. Please do give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and delights. And until next time, eat well, walk good.